today with another video. So today's video is very important and near and dear to my heart because it talks about business. So a lot of us female entrepreneurs are struggling in our businesses because there's like little hurdles that we can't get past. And so one of the biggest things I know for me that I thought was such a big deal, like just because I'm so worried about things looking cute, was my business logo. So at first I thought it was important to have a business logo because, oh my God, it's just something cute that everybody's going to see. But you really want to have a good looking, high resolution logo for your business because you want your brand to be easily recognizable. You want people to see your logo and are familiar with your brand because of the design of your logo, if that makes sense. So like when you see McDonald's and Taco Bell and all of these chain places, their logos are highly recognizable and they were able to build this brand, which is basically like an emotional story that you tell to potential customers to get them to buy. So a lot of us get hung up on the logo because most of us aren't creative, okay? Like most people weren't bit by the creative bug like me and many others like myself. So doing a custom logo seems like such a hard thing. You're like, what program do I use? I'm not very familiar with how to edit and how to make templates and things. I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to make a logo, right? I'm just completely clueless. So that's when I discovered a website called canva.com. Canva.com has been a lifesaver, and I'm going to show you guys today how to make a quick and easy logo. I'm actually working with a client. We're building her brand from nothing to this amazing brand that's going to make her a lot of money. And so I recently had to design a logo for her, and that's how I came up with the idea for this video. So I know I've talked for 2 minutes now, so let's get right into it. Okay guys, so now we are on my favorite website, canva.com. Canva is great. You can make posters, images for your YouTube channel, and today we are going to be making a custom logo. So the nice thing about Canva is they have a lot of templates that you can choose from. So as you can see, it's super easy to make a logo, and it's going to save you so much money, and you're going to be able to get a nice high quality logo. So today we're going to be making a logo for a fictitious store called Glam Hair Boutique. And guys, as you can see, I'm literally just playing around with this image. So we're going to change the words, first of all, to Glam Hair Boutique. Sorry guys, it's hard to do all this with my long nails. And so you even are able to edit the size of your fonts. It's really, really simple and easy to use. And the thing I like most about Canva is that it is internet based. So you don't have to download any programs or anything. Now over here there are some preset fonts. So as you can see, they have really cute font combinations. I know sometimes when you're developing a logo or some type of content with text, it's hard to put together two fonts and make it look good together. So the good part is that Canva already has this done for you. You can literally scroll for days, find something that you like, and type in the name of your business. And if you aren't satisfied with the fonts, you can go through and try to choose one yourself. But that's just a little bit too much work for me. I think the preset fonts are just fine. I just wanted to show you guys like how you can just develop your own logo. As you see, I'm just duplicating that little shape and changing the colors. So your possibilities are literally endless. Like again, if you aren't creative and you don't feel like exploring all of these different options yourself, they already have templates you can choose from. But I just challenge you, go to canva.com. It's free to sign up. You don't have to create an account. You can log in with Facebook and just play around with different options for a business logo. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Again, if you need a custom logo for your business, you can go to canva.com and make a free one yourself. You can also click the link down in the description box and head over to my business consulting calendar. I can make a custom logo for you. Even though Canva is free, Maybe you aren't as creative or just really don't feel like doing it yourself. The prices start at $50. I'll be happy to make a logo for your business. And I hope that you guys found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.